take what I can get.
So Cano's bothering Rumble here.
Bothering or massaging?
We're not quite sure because Rumble doesn't seem to be bothered by
Right here,
it.
mumbling,
Exactly.
purring now.
Look, he's beating on his back.
He's purring, listen.
Oh, he's killing Rumble.
No, he's not.
He'll probably lose patience with this game at some point.
Cano won't.
No, Cano won't.
He's
Oh
trying
no,
all
he's gonna
angles.
crack his skull.
No.
No, he's not gonna crack his skull.
That's just where the dog's bite
People just
goes.
allows him to do whatever.
Any kind of attention he can get.
His tail's puffy though. Rumble! Baby, are you okay?
He's okay.
No, be nice.
He's just gentle. He didn't really bite me.
Be nice.
Look at his tail. Couldn't be happier.
Rumble, sweetie. Okay. Rumble's all like, this dog's method of grooming is very clumsy, but I'll take it.
Wow.
He's come a long way.
Yeah, I know. They used to fight. Well, Rumble still gave him the business when he first came in the house today.
Yeah.
Or just now.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, now we're gonna fight.
Gentle Cano.
He's literally tickling him.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, it's like, okay, I'll stop. He's like, okay, you want to be a bully? Well.
Kid's probably just like, sweetie's playing with me. Oh, the table might.
Cano, you big
Are you
dummy.
done? Are you done playing?
Never.
Never.
Is Rumble clipped?
Nope.
You're also being.
Okay.
Can you not eat the cat's face? That's not even the delicious part.
Look at Rumble's dildos.
No.
Be gentle.
He just knows that gets the reaction out of him. Yeah, that's what you get, Cano. But I just added some more. This is probably fun for Cano.
Okay, Mr. Aggressive. You know he outweighs you by a factor of about 10.
Is he being aggressive?
Rumble?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was for a bit.
No. No.
Gentle.
See, Rumble, you could leave. That's the thing.
No. I think Cano hopes he chases him after if he does it.
Oh, he's getting furious now.
I think Rumble's getting mad now.
Okay, Cano.
Okay, Rumble, come here.